How to join a Discord server without invite. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can join a Discord server without invite. For this, launch open the Discord app on your device. If you don't have this app, head over to Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar. Here you want to search for Discord. Now tap on the install button for the Discord app over here. After it has been installed, tap on the open option. Now make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to join a Discord server but you do not have the invite, all you want to do is tap on this plus icon over here. Now you have the option to create your own server, but if you want to join somebody else's server, tap on the join a server option at the bottom of your screen. Now here it says you will have to paste the invite link. Now if you do not have the invite link, what you want to do here is type https://discord.gg/ then type cheese and type on join with invite link option. As soon as you tap on the join option, here it says you have been invited. So go ahead and tap on the accept invite option. Now, as you can see, you have successfully joined a Discord server without invite, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.